Hey guys, welcome to You Can't Fix Stupid. My name is Andre. Trump doesn't pay taxes. That's what the media wants you to think. Some specifically say federal income tax, and others just say he doesn't pay taxes at all. So I'm going to use the Trump Tower in Chicago as an example of how much taxes are in fact paid by Trump and those upstream and downstream in that investment activity. So here are all the groups that would be party to the investment here in Chicago. And on the left is all of the taxes that would be potentially collected. All of these black X's mark actual taxes that are collected as a result of Trump investing in Chicago or into a similar project in your city. The red X is what the media is concerned about. They are concerned about the federal withholding on his personal tax return. So of all the taxes that I was able to quantify that were collected, on the left we have taxes collected from parties to the transaction, the seller, and then all the way downstream to the patrons that use Trump's restaurants, use the hotel, so on and so forth. And then on the right you have Trump and company, and those are actual taxes that were collected as a result of that transaction. So of what I was able to quantify, we see about $25 million in taxes. Taxes like sales tax, income tax, Social Security, all of those taxes I wasn't able to qualify, and you could bet those add millions of dollars each year at the local and federal levels. Keep in mind the sales tax in Chicago is over 10%. So what do those taxes pay for? The majority of the taxes that I was able to quantify paid for the state and local governments, schools, parks, libraries, so on and so forth. On the federal side, you have interest on debt, Social Security, Medicare, pensions, USPS. And so my question to you is, why do you care if Trump is paying federal taxes? Social Security, Medicare, those institutions are on the verge of being obsolete. Why do you want him to pay money into those programs that might not be around when you're ready to cash in? And so again, the question is, why is the media focusing on that one red X when you have all of these black X's, all of these taxes that Trump is actually paying into your local government? The cynics say those aren't taxes paid by Trump, it's by his business. But if you think of it this way, if Trump didn't have to pay all of those taxes, if all of those black X's didn't exist, then that red X would become black. Trump would have an income tax and he would pay taxes on that. So he does pay income taxes. They're just called by different names. They are taxes that we would normally not pay, but Trump, as a real estate investor, pays all of those taxes in lieu of an income tax, if you will. So if you're still one of those people that says you paid more than Trump did in taxes, then to you I say, you can't fix stupid. I do have a longer version of this video. If you want to see me get into detail, I will add a link to it. Thank you. Please share and subscribe.